adds on to that trust. NEN has been very supportive in the sense to the e-cells of Mount Carmel College because they've been actually adding that life. E-cell would be like a Mercedes without the fuel if NEN was not there.
It helps us stay connected to the same set of people. It is one way of really being a part of an entrepreneurial community while you're doing whatever you're doing. And whenever you want to really get into this whole business of entrepreneurship, you know where you can come back to.
It really increased my contact base, and it really made me look at people differently. I met a lot of other people through the NEN who've all done something great. The NEN community, I think it's like a storehouse of contacts, I would say.
NEN was very helpful in the sense that it was through NEN that I got in touch with a wider group of people. College students in Calcutta, the NEN website where you can interact with people, or various faculty members across India who are part of the NEN ecosystem and who we tapped into for our activities and events.
First of all, if NEN wasn't there, we wouldn't have started anything. NEN E-Club makes sense for a fresh graduate who's 22, and it also makes sense for someone who's been experienced for say 45, 50. We never felt that NEN was an outsider.
I was like a headless chicken running around. When we heard about e-cell and about NEN at college, that was the first thing that came into my mind. This is exactly what we were looking for. My whole experience at the e-cell was, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of learning. My perspective always in e-cell was, I'm going to run this, I'm going to do things like I'm running my own company.
Comes to us and says, I'm interested in starting a venture. How can you help us? How can you help me? At that point of time, we should not be dumbfounded and say, we really do not have an idea as well. We know NEN is behind us, so in case we have students like this who are interested, NEN can give us the right support in terms of getting us in contact with the right venture capitalists, say for instance, or just can help us in providing the right type of knowledge.
Shown in country after country that entrepreneurship is the best, most productive and fastest way to create new job opportunities in any economy.